Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Truth, and today we will be talking about the perfection, the OG perfection of the Air Jordan 12 playoff.
If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's the knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology. Don't make it hard, man, it ain't trigonometry. You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the brew. For OGs and the you can kick it with us too. Technology.
As you guys seen by the B-roll, this shoe is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and say it, man. Nike did their thing. Jumpman, thank you for executing the way that you did by giving us a OG retro and keeping it in its true OG form. 1997 was an amazing year. I was a young buck back then. You know what I'm saying? When Jordan did his thing and they gave us these playoff 12s. Thank you, Nike, again. Now, with all that being said, the thing about these shoes is that if you do not own them or you have not seen them in person, I'm gonna encourage you, go to a boutique, check it out, or go ahead and cop them. I don't know what the resale form is right now. I'll probably pop it somewhere on the screen right here or something, but I'm gonna tell you guys to buy them now because I do think they're gonna go up. But when you see the leather quality, I'm gonna give you guys the up close look, man. Look at that leather quality, and look at that pushback action. You know what I'm saying? Real soft leather. But all in all, very dope shoe. As you see this B-roll on the screen, this shoe will be in people's top 5. Y'all heard it here first. Every year we do the top 5 and we just don't know what shoes are gonna be up there. We kind of go back and forth. And the reason why I say this shoe will be in there, because if you break down top 5 of the year, end of the year, when the YouTubers and content creators do this, or even when you guys are just trying to pick out your top 5 to post on IG, we always have the hype shoes, the Travis Scotts, the Off-Whites, but everybody's not gonna hit on that. So you gotta scratch that off. So you might have one hype shoe on the list, unless you just got a bunch of bread, you into the whole buying aftermarket, then you may have more of some of those exclusive drops on there. But for every year, you kinda have that one OG shoe that they do in perfection. And this year is gonna be this. Last year, it was the Flint 13s, in my opinion. When you seen top 5, you seen everybody had Flints. Everybody had Flints. This year, I do think as we play out that we do have a couple of more OGs coming back, and if they do them right, then they might be on the list. We have yet to see them, and you know how Nike, you know how they do sometimes with the production and stuff like that. But for this one right here, Nike executed perfect on this shoe, man. It's just an amazing shoe. Y'all see that on the bottom. I did do this on feet, and already the white is kind of dirty, so take that into consideration that they will do that. Now when you look at this shoe compared to the Royalty, the leather on this one is a little bit different. It is better. I'm not saying that the tumbleness is not there, but how soft the leather is on the upper is better on this one. But the Royalties are clean too, but I hate when Nike does that. Instead of giving us the OG, they do a little bit of minor things to change it. And those people that don't have the OG, or maybe not into that aspect of it, they just want to get something close, they're happy with it. And when you're talking about getting that actual OG, what Jordan rocked, thank you, and this is what we got, man. Y'all see it right there. Let me know down in the comment section if you was able to cop these things. What are your thoughts on these? What do you think the resale is gonna do? I think they will go up in value, so if you do not have them, like I said, I would just buy them now. You go to Trade Block, try to trade for them if you're a 12 person, but it's been a long time since I've seen a 12 be in a top 5. I do think this will be on many people's top 5 list of 2022, just because the OG factor and the quality on this shoe is absolutely bananas. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Y'all know what I'm saying, rock what you like, now it's hype. Wash them hands, man, and remember, the shoes that's normally behind me, this perfection right here, all of that perfection, playoffs right there, man, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.
I'm off the beat, but right now I'm on the beat, known to be brother more, spitting for the king. You can kick it with